Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda ugogo bathini mbatha. Oh, this series guys, it was very interesting and abantu bayafona inhliziyo zabo zibhlungu ukuthi gogo wayithinta indaba gogo wayithinta indaba salukwazi sendoda right, let's move forward ngani zakwethu. Angiqondile khona ukuvusa amanxeba kodwa sakhe imizi yobaba mkhulu ngani zakwethu. Ngani zakwethu, this combo now usukwenza konke ngani zakwethu. The question is, gogo sengikwenza konke angisazi manje. Involve abagini nabasekhaya koma wakho to assist you with Khandlela yellow and blue. Remember that combo. Involves abasekhaya kini nabasekhaya koma wakho to assist you. Please take notes. Just take notes ngani zakwethu so that we move forward together. Just take notes. Please write kahle amakhandlela dewe sobe ngakhona and take notes ngani zakwethu. We spoke about ikhandlela pink, sorry. We spoke about white. And then we said this combo ngani zakwethu, it stands for ukhanya. We included red for protection in case umntwana washona ngengozi or nge-abuse that was emotionally or physically. Lena ukuthi ugreen ukuthi umntwana angasindelwa lo ophilayo yilo ongasekho emhlabeni. Remember, I said you can add other candles on the side in case umntwana lo bekangeyedwa mhlambe wenze enye abortion noma wenze enye abortion, and then sigcine siphinduka ini umkhokha ngani zakwethu. Then now we are saying uyellow no blue. Ungimamela ngani zakwethu, I'm not saying blue and yellow, I'm saying uyellow no blue. It means usumema manje abakini usukwenze konke lokho still into zakho zimile. This is a self service ngani zakwethu which helped lots of people. Lots and lots and lots of people. So now you involve abagini ukuthi ngicela nina basekhaya koma nabasekhaya kithi ningivikelele. Right? Usukuzame konke lokho. Whether lokho usukuzamile usuwabona emareza sakhona or akawazami, it is very important ukuthi musubona izinto ngathi zamile include abagini nabasekhaya koma wakho. So uyellow and blue isebenza kabili ngani zakwethu. One is for individuals which is umama ngane to include abakubo nabasekhaya koma wakhe, or is both parents are dealing with ubumnyama bafuna ukhanya. They are dealing with, I know I was abusive to my wife, or I was emotionally abusive to my wife or to my partner or to my girlfriend. We are doing this together. Le ingane zethu lezi cindezelekile because of the mistake we did. Then they do it together. So one candle will represent abasekhaya komkhonyana, one candle will represent abasekhaya kuboka kamakoti. Again ngani zakwethu, I don't know if I've made a mistake earlier, but don't be confused. This combo mani izoyenza nibabili ayoni combo ka boyfriend ne girlfriend le. Ikhombo yabantu abashadile that are involved ku issue ye abortion le. Is not for people abadata because awukwazi uyokhuluma idlozi kuba ka boyfriend noma kuba ka girlfriend. Akwenziwa lokho. So episode yethu lena yokugcina ngani zakwethu lapho sikhuluma khona issue yokuphahla ngani zakwethu uma siphahlela issue ye abortion that is made by accident or abuse or ubona ukuthi isimo siyabheda ngani zakwethu wabona ukuthi hayi ngeke ukwazi ukuthi umelane nalento lena, then you decided to keep isisu. You're not alone ngani zakwethu. Many people have went through that, and stop blaming yourself about something esovele uyenzile. Rather use a combo as sisibekile moving forward ukuthi impilo yakho ishintshe ilokhuzana. Asikho emhlabeni ukuthi sizokujaja and everything. We all make mistakes. Ngani zakwethu Inkosi Thelo Musa, website bathinimbatha.co.za, bathinimbatha.co.za. You'll get a booking form 082-833-4063 082-833-4063. Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu.